guys, today is April 7th. We're still here in quarantine with everything that's going on. I wanted to mention that just so that it's in my videos, so it's documented on YouTube forever, which a lot of people are documenting it, but yeah. Today I'm gonna be doing, hopefully, at least in my mind, I have planned a few things for out here. My husband, I don't know if I mentioned it, did end up using the pavers. So right now I'm in the process of moving pavers out until he finds out how many pavers he needs. What happened, Max? Maxie, did you hurt yourself? So then, yeah, so I haven't taken apart everything over there. I've just taken pavers as he needs them, and then I'll know if I can use pavers or not. I do know that I can use the really, really small ones. So the other day he found some wood that someone threw out. Here it is. So today I was looking over here and I was like, oh, maybe I can do another step over here. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna work on that. I'm just gonna clean the area first. I might need to shift this a little bit and go from there, and then I'll show you guys. So let's do that. So it's all done. I really like the way it looks. I'm hoping that it can stay here and that they do well here. I had to put off this shade cloth on this side because I was observing it in the afternoon, and there was sun in the afternoon at 1 o'clock. So yeah, just wanted to be safe and didn't want any of my plants to burn, so I did that. I think it looks really good. Let me show you a close-up. See if I can get close-ups of the lizards first. There's one there and then one down there. Okay, so I also went ahead and pulled out some plants from the greenhouse just because they're not looking their 100% best in the greenhouse, so I thought that they would look better out here. I also have some plants that I have propagated and already rooted, so I'll point those out to you as I go. So this is one that was in the greenhouse, and I took it out. So it was getting good amount of sun there, but still probably not enough. So I'm bringing her out here. I'm gonna show you what this looks like in like really, really good sun. Let me show you real quick over here. And by the way, that's Echeveria subtilis, which is also called Morning Beauty. Here she is. Same plant. Same plant. I promise you it's the same plant. But that's what happens when it gets filtered light, and then this is still gets it gets regular light and filtered light, that one. So yeah. So real quick while I'm here, because I'm not going to be talking about this side, I want to show you something. Look at how beautiful this plant is looking over here. This is the sedum that I got for them, but you know, the other three were really bright green and this was a darker green, so I planted it over here, and I think she looks super cute here, and she flowered for me, as you guys can see. So very pretty. So that's that. Now let's go back to this side. Okay, so this one was already outside, but it was on the other side. And then this one was as well, has been outside. Look at that little lizard. And then this Echeveria subtilis, they've been outside. There's only one that I recently added that was inside the greenhouse. I brought it out here. It was in that arrangement that was put together, and I took it apart from Home Depot because it just wasn't doing well. So yeah. And then the other plant that was in here is on the other side. Then these are the ones that I propagated. They are the patchy Varia Blue Pearl. And then this one has been with me for a very long time. And this has been, I had to propagate it. Once it grew roots, then I stuck it back in here. I don't do too good with these. I don't know, but I am giving more of an effort because I think they're more needy when it comes to water and stuff like that. And then this one, I think this is like the giant burrito or donkey's tail. I'm sorry, not burrito. Giant donkey's tail. I love that plant, but I can't like get it to grow in a big cluster. It starts to grow like this and then something just makes it look unhappy. So I don't know. So that's there. This one used to be in the little turtle, but I replanted it a while ago and it's been doing well in there as well. I just got that over there. Look at my melancholy panda plant. This one was inside the house for quite a while. It used to be outside, I think, for a year, and then I put it inside for a year, and it wasn't flowering because it needs to get enough light in order for it to flower. So I brought it out here, and it's gotten bigger. You can kind of see where it's the new growth, like how it looks different, the growth. It just got bigger because it's getting more light. This is a really pretty cactus. I like it. I have one of the babies inside the greenhouse. It's not a baby anymore, but it was one of the babies. Let's see. So then here are just my regular ones. Oh, I love the way this is growing. I wonder if this is something Leticia. If you guys know the names, let me know. I can't remember. This is Lilac Mist. Echeveria Lilac Mist. Not sure. This is getting spots. It was on the other side of the greenhouse, outside the greenhouse, but it's getting spots. So I was wondering, maybe the spots are from maybe there's not airflow because she was all the way like at the bottom of the brick, so maybe there's no airflow there because now it's like kind of like a square. So I brought it over here to see if she does better. This one I brought over here just because she looks pretty. And then the other side, I started to pull out the bricks because my husband is dealing with the bricks in the front. That's what they were initially for. So yeah, all these. This one, I give up on neem oil, guys. At least the one that you mix, because so that big thing is a gallon, right? That I use. The sprayer is a big gallon. So I'm not gonna use up a gallon in one time. I'm just not. It's just too much. So I shook it. I shook the living out of it, mixed it really well, and sprayed. And I still seen these. They did not. It still didn't mix well. So that's pretty annoying. So I'm done. I'm done using neem oil. If I have, I'm looking into peroxide. I'm not going to talk about it yet because I haven't used it, but I heard, if you guys want to look into it, 3% peroxide. I suggest you guys look into that. It's supposedly really good for your plants, for bugs and funguses. So look into that, because I'm going to start looking into that. And also, I've been treating, if I find mealybugs, I'm going aggressive with 70% alcohol. It says it. The alcohol should say 70%, the bottle that you're using. And I'm going aggressive. I spray it and then I put it in the shade and then I look at it to see if I see any activity. If I don't see any activity, then I go ahead and rinse it off with water to make sure that everything's gone. But if I do see still mealybugs, then I treat it again. So that's what I'm going to start doing from now on. So yeah. And then these are doing good. That's doing good. And that's doing good. And on this side, we already know how this one looks. Oh, but I did do some new things. Yeah, I think I pointed out all the plants over there that I took out. New plants out of the greenhouse to see how they do are these. So this one, I moved it to an area in the greenhouse that I thought was going to be getting more light. And I looked at it today. It still looks like it's thinning out at the top. So I said, you know what? Forget it. I'm done. I'm bringing this baby out. I even, a while back, I went ahead and trimmed a bunch of those that were all elongated because I do not like that look. So I trimmed it, and then we'll see how it does out here. If it survives, then great. And if it doesn't, well, I mean, what can I do? That's my luck. This euphorbia as well. Look, she's giving me cute little leaves. But I brought her out here as well to see if she just, she's been growing good. But, you know, I just decided, you know what? Let's just take a chance. Go for it. So that's what I did. This one as well. But I think this will do fine. I have one over there that's very similar. It's been doing well. And then these to see if they grow thicker. See, when they start to thin out like this, that means they're not getting enough light. So over here, it gets plenty of light. So we'll see. I mean, how much light do you need? Not afternoon light. So I don't know, because they'll get brown if they get too much. You know, if they get afternoon light. Oh, here's some light. It's kind of gonna be I think cloudy today, in and out, not sure. But normally there's some good sun here. And also I have to put the shade cloth over here as well because there is afternoon sun over here. So yeah, I want to be able to protect those. I need to add my shade cloth to this side. So yeah, guys, that is it. That's what I've been doing. And I'm just cleaning and just constant maintenance. Look at how cute these are. Okay, I propagated these as well, and I shoved them together all in one pot very tightly, and they're growing really nice, all nice and tight. I just repotted it today, and I just did this pretty much the day that I redid my chair. So yeah, it already had nice roots. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have Instagram and you've been doing stuff in your garden, send me pictures so that I can see. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Have a blessed day, guys. Don't forget to like, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you get reminded every time I post a video. Thank you so much, guys. You have a blessed day. Bye.